Scientific method, the process used to do a science experiment. Ask a question. First, come up with the question for the experiment. Form a hypothesis, or an educated guess. This is guessing what you think might happen in an experiment. Test the hypothesis by doing an experiment. This is when you test your ideas. Make an observation, using your senses to understand what is happening. Analyze the data, to study something carefully using all the information. Draw a conclusion from the results, the end of the experiment, or when you decide if your guess was right or wrong. Share results with other scientists. Let other scientists know what you have found from your experiment. And that's the scientific method.